Chili Mac. Pour you some water. Stir it so it don't stick. Easy cheesy mac. Also gonna put some Gouda cheese in my chili mac to give it more cheesy flavor. Let it get all nice and gooey and yummy. And when the cheese melts down in there, I'll come back. It's coming together. The cheese is slowly melting down. So that big hunk of cheese right there. Keep stirring. It's looking good. Then you put salt and pepper to taste. And this is what it looks like when it's done. Oh, this looks so good. It smells so good. And I already took a little taste, and it's got enough salt and pepper to it. It just needs to cool down. Well, actually, get me a bowl and just have that for supper tonight. Here's my plate of food. Don't it look so good? It's hot, so I'm gonna let it cool down and then I'm gonna try it. Let's try our chili mac. It's hot. It's hot. It's not bad just throwing it together, just regular, Annie's mac and cheese and a can of chili and some cheese and salt and pepper to taste. Can't beat it, especially when you don't feel like wanting to cook.
It's good.
It's called Chili Mac. How is it, baby?
It's good.
So you like it?
Mm-hmm.